Discover Credit Scorecard Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Discover Credit Scorecard. Links to the product are available in the description below. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features and benefits of using Discover's Credit Scorecard and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Discover Credit Scorecard provides free access to your FICO Score 8, which is the score most widely used by lenders to determine creditworthiness. One of its standout features is that you don't need to be a Discover cardholder to use the service. This makes it accessible to anyone looking for an easy and reliable way to monitor their credit score without any strings attached. The tool also provides a breakdown of the factors affecting your FICO score, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and recent credit inquiries. This helps you understand where you stand and what you can do to improve your credit. Additionally, Discover provides recommendations on how to potentially boost your score based on your current credit profile. Another great feature is the credit score tracking. It updates monthly so you can track changes in your score over time and see how your actions, like paying off debt or reducing credit card balances, impact your score. The tool also sends you personalized credit insights and alerts, helping you stay proactive about managing your credit. For those concerned about identity theft, Discover Credit Scorecard also includes monitoring alerts that notify you of any suspicious activity on your credit report. This can provide peace of mind, knowing you're on top of your credit health and protected from fraud. Overall, Discover Credit Scorecard is a solid, free tool for anyone looking to track their FICO score, understand the factors affecting it, and receive helpful tips to improve it. If you're looking for a user-friendly, no-cost way to stay on top of your credit, this is a great choice. Check out the links in the description below to get started today.